welcome back to my channel. So I did a big order online on Mango and I just received the box now, so I thought I'm gonna open it on camera with you and I'm gonna try everything on and then I'm gonna decide what I want to keep and what is gonna go back. So, and I want to do it with you, so I need all your advice on these pieces today. Did I really order this? In my wardrobe, like, is a waste. The best piece of this haul. Like jewelry that you can wear at the beach. So I went to the Mango store the other day because first of all, it's been ages I haven't been shopping in Mango, like since last winter. I think the last thing I bought in Mango was like a winter coat. So I got very curious to see what nice things there in store at the moment, and because it's sales now, the story was mental. I couldn't understand anything and I just wanted to go home and leave the store, and so I went home and I checked online, I shop online, so I don't know about the fitting of the things, the fabric. I just picked on the website what I liked. And because I'm quite sensible at the moment, so I just want to have pieces in my wardrobe that I wear a lot and they're like good pieces that they can last, not just one season. So I'm just gonna keep the pieces here that I think are gonna be really worth it and I can really wear in different outfits. Yeah, so now let's open the box. Item number one, it is a dress, is a midi dress. It was $35.99, so I thought the price was quite good. I've ordered a size large, and what I really liked about this dress, it was like the sleeves, they're like really like floaty, and then there is an open back and it's tight at the back. And the waist is elasticated. It looks like a very comfortable dress, and there is a belt as well, so I think it's quite a nice dress for summer. The only thing is that, to be honest, on the website it looked that was like more expensive than what it is, while when I touch it now it's like 97% polyester and it doesn't look as great as it was looking on the website. But I do really like the shape of it and the cut. I'm just like not super keen on the fabric, so just let me know what you think about this one. Item number two is another dress, midi dress again. I really like the color and I really liked the reed fabric, so, and I think this fabric looks better than the previous one. There is lining inside, the other one didn't have lining, so I think in a way this is like better made, but again it is 96% polyester, and I think this kind of dresses, like when you look at it like this, it doesn't look amazing, it looks very boring, you know, but then when you style it with a belt, and it's something that it becomes like can become quite stylish and comfy as well. So I sized up to a size large because basically in general when it's like high street pieces, I think that if they are a little bit big they look a little bit more expensive, so I always size up in this kind of pieces, and especially because this one, like if you wear it with a belt, it's nice that you have some extra fabric floating that is not like really tight. And the price is like $29.99. So what I would do with this one, it is remove the lining. It's only stitched on the shoulder, so it's super easy to, with a little pair of scissors, to remove it, and then wear it as a cover up at the beach, and so then it doesn't matter if it's a bit see-through because you're wearing your bikini or your swimwear underneath. And I think in that way it's quite a nice piece, and it's $29.99, so it's like quite a good price. Item number three, it is this open work knit. Now I do really like cropped pieces. I wear it with high-waisted jeans or trousers, and order a size large again. Is in the sales at the moment to like down to 12 euros, so it's a very good piece. And again, this is something that I would wear at the beach as well, just with like a bikini or like your swimsuit and this one on top, and I think it looks quite cool. Love the color, but I also really like it underneath blazers, so I think this is quite a nice top to have now in the summer, and it's a bit different from like the regular white t-shirt, so it's probably like the same cut but in a knit, open knit fabric, so it makes it a bit more chic, I think. I do like this one. Next up is trousers. So like basically this is the main reason why I went to the Mango store, because I wanted to try on the fit of white trousers. Was not a great experience in the store, as I said, so I ordered online. I ordered 2 pairs so I can try on which one fits better. So white wide leg white trousers. So this is like from Mango Suit, so I believe there's the same blazer as well. I sized up again because at the moment I'm sizing up in everything. Like I really like the oversized fit of clothes, and as I said, in high street I do that all the time. So they like very wide leg with a bit of a flare leg. Now it needs an iron because like this it doesn't look great, but the only weird thing about this is that, so they're not lined inside, which in a way, okay, I think like a very good pair of trousers should be lined. But it's also true that in the summer, if you want to wear it during the day, if the trousers are lined, it makes you really hot. So you need to compromise a bit. The only thing about this trouser, I don't understand why you would put a dark pink brownish pocket inside a white trousers, because you can see it through. So okay, maybe they wanted to do like this detail that, you know, you can see a bit pink when you have your hand in the pocket, but at the same time it's gonna show that it's darker. So I'm gonna see about this one. I wanna see the other ones first. And then these are the second trousers, and I think I like these much more. So first of all, it's not a white color. This is a more like off-white ecru / cream. White leg again, but first of all, we don't have the problem of the pocket. There is like no pockets, which in a way it is nicer to have pockets in a pair of trousers, but I wasn't really keen on how those ones were made. Well, there is the big label, but this we can cut it. And then, so they are like high-waisted, you have a zip at the back, and then you have a seam, I'm gonna come closer, here, that it goes all the way down your leg. It's the same price, so they're both $49.99, but this one is the original price, while the previous one was the same price, but the price is the same, and I sized up in both pairs. Next up is a skirt, and I just realized when I open it that I already have something like that. So I was like, that's why I really like it, because I already have basically the same in my wardrobe. So this is going back, because I have basically is exactly the same cut of my white Another Story skirt. So it's exactly the same. It's like crossover, and you can close it at the back or on the side, and then there is like a big flare, and it's 100% lie yourself, so it's not a bad fabric. I think it's a really nice skirt. It's $49.99 full price, so this one is not from the sales collection. Love the color, that again is like a bit of a ecru. Yeah, this is super nice skirt. It's just like, I just realized now that I don't need it, so I'm gonna send it back, but I really love it. Next up is a necklace, and if you remember from my stories, I think it was like last week or a couple of weeks ago, I put up some jewelry that it was ideal for the beach. So you know when, because you know me, I wear a lot of jewelry and I really like to maintain my things really well, and I promise the jewelry collection video is coming. I keep promising that in every video. I promise by the end of July we're gonna have that video up. But anyways, so I was showing you on my stories like jewelry that you can wear at the beach, that it would not fade, because unless it's real gold, when you have a lot of sunscreen on, you get a little bit sweaty because it's very hot, you go swimming, your jewelry, unless it's 100% gold, it was like 90% is gonna fade. And it's not nice when you have like a favorite necklace and then at the end of summer you have to get rid of it because the quality, it's not the quality, it's normal that it fades, and it's not gonna be nice anymore. So these type of necklaces are perfect. So this is a material that it won't fade, and I think I really like the big links and I love the color, and I think that is something really nice to wear on your swimwear, or like just with like a white open linen shirt, and I think it just makes an outfit at the beach much more interesting and like, a bit chic. So I really like this one. Next up, and then we're almost done, is a dress, and this is 100% my favorite of this haul. It's like, I love the brown color, I think it looks really good with you have a tan. It's 100% viscose, so it's much better quality. I've ordered a size large because I want this type of dresses to be as big as possible and as long as possible because I'm tall. You have this really nice detail at the front, so I come a bit closer here. So in a way, you don't need to wear jewelry. I really like that you have slits on both sides. So I think this is a very, very nice dress. It's 49 euros. As I said, 100% viscose. Love the color. I love everything about this dress. I think this is almost the best, isn't it? It's the best piece of this haul. Okay, last pieces. It is quite of a trend of the moment. And when it comes to trend, I do sometimes like to try some trends that, they grow on me, maybe on Instagram, or like when I read websites, and then I want to try them, but I don't want to invest a lot of money in it because it's seasonal. So Mango, H&M are the perfect website where you can, where I go if I want to buy a trendy piece of the season. I need to try this on because I don't even know if I actually like it, and it's the tie-dye. So some of the tie-dye I quite like it, so I don't like the, electric blue or green. I don't like the very flashy multicolored ones. I don't like that, it's not me, I cannot do that. But I really like this one because I feel it's like very delicate, it's a combination of colors, but it's like the t-shirt is like mainly white and then a little bit tie-dye. And I think the idea of this is like to dressing it up a bit, so with, let's say, white Bermuda shorts and a white blazer, and then this t-shirt underneath. The only thing is that it was only size small left, so I've ordered it. I'm gonna try it on and see how I feel in it, because normally I never order size small because I like my t-shirts to be more oversized. 100% cotton, it's a good t-shirt, it's a very, very good t-shirt. And then I've ordered this one. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, on the website, it looks like a bit of a faded yellow. This is very yellow. And then I didn't realize that there was this message in it. Cute, but I don't wear this. I'm just a dreamer and you are just a dream. And it's super cute because I double checked now on the website, because when I opened it I was like, did I really order this? So we double checked, and yes, I did. I didn't see it when I ordered it. But it comes in like mother and daughter collection, so if you like this, and then there is the mini version as well for your girl. So I think that's very sweet. It's just too yellow for me, but I do like that it's cropped. I do like that they did have size large, so this is the type of, I wish that this one was in this style and size. Anyways, I think they're both very affordable. They're both 100% cotton. Love this one. This is not really me, but I love the style. And yeah. Anyways, this was it for today. I hope you liked it. It was different from my regular hauls. I haven't seen the pieces before opening the boxes, so it was like a surprise for me as well when I was touching the fabric and trying them on for the first time. So my favorite pieces are the tie-dye t-shirt, the brown dress. The second dress, it could be nice, it needs some adjusting, and I quite like the ecru trousers as well. So there were some quite nice pieces that I'm gonna keep, most probably. I'm gonna try them on again, think on how many times I can wear them, and then do my evaluation and keep my favorites. But I'm very curious to know what do you think I should keep and what you think I should definitely return. Just leave it in the comment, and I can't wait to read all your comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, Tuesday, with a weekly video at 8 p.m. Bye!